Welcome to the Marriott by Majestic Homes, located in the Cottages of Catania. This gorgeous home offers villa living where you can actually choose the services that are provided for your home directly from the landscaping company. You're able to customize services for lawn care to snow removal and can decide what services you'd like to perform for yourself. Walking up to this home, you'll notice a beautiful stone front elevation that has amazing curb appeal. Inside, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, including a large master suite with a tile shower. The desirable open concept design seamlessly connects and maximizes the available living space. The beautiful kitchen is complete with wonderful features, including quartz countertops, custom Amish-built cabinets, and a sizable island with breakfast bar seating. The space leads into the great room where the fireplace awaits cozy nights spent curled up on the couch. Throughout this home, luxury vinyl plank flooring and rounded doorways are some of the details that you'll love. The beautiful sunroom is surrounded by windows and is ideal for spending a sunny winter day in anticipation of warmer days ahead. And the patio is ready for entertainment and cookouts. This home truly has so many amazing details and features that you're going to want to see it for yourself. Call Frank Shepler to learn more.